my name's Lucy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to navigate the Plus members area, where to find your challenges and training and how you can make the most out of your membership. So let's get started. So here I am at my PC. Once you're logged into your members account, this is the first area you should see. To get to the Plus area, all you need to do is click this yellow button here. Once you click this, you'll see Members Home, and then some quick links as well. So if you know exactly what you're looking for, you can click one of these. But if you want to see everything in the area, just simply click on this Members Home button. Once you get to the UrbanSketch Plus page, you'll find all of your benefits, training, and content in this area. All you have to do is scroll down, see what's available. If you want to join the Facebook group, you can do so here if you're a member. And then you'll have all of your benefits listed out if you continue to scroll down. So your sketching training is the first one. Then you have critiques, UrbanSketch conversations, art challenges, which we'll go into afterwards in a separate one. You'll also see discounts as well, events, exclusive content, which we have lots of other brilliant videos in here, and sketch gallery. So let's look into training. So to find your sketching training, you'll need to scroll down and select Specialised Sketching Training, and then go click here. You'll then be brought to the training page, where you can choose your modules. So for example, you can see Introduction, Line Training, and Colour Training, and then any that aren't available quite yet as well. So for the purpose of this one, let's have a look at the Colour Training. Once you click the colour training, you'll come straight through to the main course page. So you can watch the introduction video here.
Yeah, if you want.
Once you finish watching this, you can go to the first module below, which is watercolour paints. Then all you need to do from here is just watch the videos and click the next topic as and when you're ready to move on. As part of your monthly sketching training, you'll also get monthly tasks that have come with the training. You'll find these in the same area. So once you've reached the end of these videos, you will get to them. But for the purpose of this, I'm going to select it from the side here. If you want to go back to a module, you can also use the side area here to choose where you'd like to go back to. So I'm going to go to Using Two Colours task. You'll find all of the information you need on here, with some examples from Ian of how to complete the task. Once you've completed your sketch, you can either upload it to the student gallery or share it in the Facebook group. To upload to the student gallery, you need to use this filter called monthly tasks, which I'll show you soon. So you can reach the student gallery this way, or you can reach it through the main bar at the top. To upload your sketch, simply click Upload button, browse your photo, your name in, description. This is a great place if you want feedback on your work. So for example here, you might say feedback welcome. Not sure about the colours. You might also want to give a bit of history about the sketch as well, or a bit of a story about it. So here you can leave this one blank. Instead, you want to select UrbanSketch Plus. And from here, you want to select monthly tasks for anything to do with the training. And that's it. Then you can upload the photo. If you want to see what other people have been doing as well, you can also filter on UrbanSketch Plus below. So for example, I can filter to monthly tasks, search. It's a great way just to see what other members have been up to as well. It's also great if you can go through and leave feedback, because it helps them to feel positive and it helps them to get ideas of how they can improve. But it's also a great way for you to see maybe they're doing it a different way. Maybe there's another way you can do it. Maybe there's something you feel inspired by. So do go and have a look at the gallery. It's a great way to just see what other people are doing and get involved with the community as well. Now we're going to have a look at the art challenges. So scroll down on the members area until you reach Take Part in Art Challenges and click here. On this page, you'll see the latest art challenge. So let's have a look at March. You'll find details about the challenge, when to submit them by, and then you'll see that you can, similar to the last one, you can upload it in the Facebook group if you're a member. You can also upload it to the student gallery. Remember that when you upload to the student gallery, you'll need to do the tag slightly different this time, so I'll show you how to do that here. When you're uploading your photo, make sure to choose art challenges instead of monthly tasks for this one. There are lots of other things to see too in the members area, so I'd encourage you to go through, have a look, and you'll find a lot of other videos in here as well called exclusive content, so I'll just give you a quick tour of this one too. Once you reach the exclusive content page, you'll find lots of resources here, including supply kits. So have a look at what kind of paper Ian uses, brushes, paints, what colours he uses the most. And we've also put some other things that a few students have suggested as well. So have a look at this if you're not sure where to start with your urban sketching kit. There's also some other resources in here, how to photograph your sketches, how to get feedback. But the main thing in here is the video library. So there's lots more videos in here as well. So let's have a look through here. This video series here, Factors of Urban Sketching, is all about sketching outside. So we have a chat with Ian about lots of different things, the practical benefits. You can also have a flip through Ian's sketchbooks of quite a few different places, and then some art challenge demonstrations as well, so you can see how Ian would do it. And we'll keep adding to this area as well, so don't forget to come back and see what's new.
I hope you found today's navigation video useful, but if you have any questions, please feel free to email us just here and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. We're always here to help. See you in the studio soon.